In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Intercom with Slack. This integration can help streamline your communication by ensuring that important updates and interactions are seamlessly shared between these two platforms. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Intercom's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so to access your dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the lower left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Find and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage all the configurations for your Intercom account, including integrating other services like Slack. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to locate and click on Channels. Channels are essentially the different means through which you can communicate with your users or receive communications. This is where you'll find the option to start linking up with Slack. Once you've clicked on Channels, you should see various options appear. Look specifically for Slack and click on it. This will bring you to the Slack integration settings page. Here, you can begin the process of connecting your Slack workspace with your Intercom account. You'll see an option to connect your workspace. Go ahead and click on this. You'll then be directed to Slack's authorization page. It's important that you're logged into the correct Slack workspace where you want to receive Intercom notifications and conversations. If you're not, take a moment to switch to the right workspace and then proceed. Slack will ask for your permission to allow Intercom to access your workspace. This is a necessary step to ensure that Intercom can send messages and updates directly to your chosen Slack channels. Review the permissions to make sure you're comfortable with them, and then click Allow. Once you've done this, the integration process is complete. You should now be able to select which Slack channels you want to receive Intercom updates in. This can usually be done by going back to Intercom and specifying your preferences under the Slack integration settings. Choose the channels that make the most sense for your team or project to keep everyone informed and up to date. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Intercom with Slack. This setup will help you keep track of customer interactions more efficiently by ensuring that all your communication tools are working together. If you ever need to adjust settings or disconnect the integration, you can always return to the Channels section in Intercom to make those changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps improve your workflow.